Hey loves, welcome to a brand new nail tutorial. It's been a while since I've done nails on myself. I've been using my silicone practice hand, trying to get used to that. But in today's video, I'll be showing you how I achieved this super easy butterfly nail art. I am using the Blulu gold nail foil. To adhere the foil to my nail, I am applying a layer of the Model 1's base coat and curing for 30 seconds. Now with my pointed tweezers, I am placing the gold flake down on my nail. I am encapsulating the gold flake with a layer of base coat and curing for another 30 seconds. These beautiful TOFD butterfly nail decals are also from Amazon. After placing my decal where I want it, I am just positioning it in place, pressing all of the water out and making sure it's flat on the nail. I am further encapsulating my nail design, making sure that I get all of the edges of that butterfly decal. To complete this nail, I am now going over it with a layer of top coat. I'm using the Model 1's No Wipe top coat and curing for 30 seconds. When I do clear nails, I always apply a layer of top coat to the underside of the nail to increase the clarity of the design. This is the completed nail design on my left hand. To save time, I just went ahead and did the rest of my nails off camera. I really like how the yellow and orange of the butterflies look on the gold flake. It is so pretty. Since these purple butterflies were on the same sheet as the yellow and orange, I thought it'd be really cute to do my right hand using the purple butterflies and silver flake. Here's the design on my right hand. The purple butterflies look so pretty on the silver flake, and overall this makes a nice contrast to the warm tones I have on my left hand. Thanks for watching. Check the description for all of the products that I used to create this nail art. Let me know what you think of this easy butterfly nail design down below in a comment, and until next time, bye loves! Yeah.